So what exactly have you done to this? This is my 124 Spider.
The camera will show. The camera will show.
Are you blind?
All right, so we got Derek here with his
guys?
E36 M3. What year exactly
It's
is
a
it?
96.
96. Beautiful shade of purple. Let me actually switch this around. So here we go. So what exactly have you done to this?
Well, not too much.
Not too much,
Yeah,
right?
not too much. It's relatively stock. I can actually pop the hood for you guys just to check this out. It's a 3.2 liter.
What is it? A
3.2 liter. It's
3.2?
an S52.
Right.
Sorry, excuse the hood shocks not working. But yeah, your standard S52. The only thing I have done to this is just swapping out the stock manifold, and I went with a M50, larger ports. Helps it, build a bit more power. Not much though, not much, but everything else is relatively stock, not much going on. So it's, yeah.
Sitting on some nice coilovers.
Yep. KW
Good stance going on.
Yep, so that's pretty much it. Nothing really done to the motor. Let me shut this since it won't say
A healthy 150,000, give or take.
150,000
miles, all right.
Yeah, Techno Violet.
It's beautiful. I love this color. It's nice.
PS2 wheels, staggered, LTW wing, your rider.
That wing, do they have a factory option? Or this is aftermarket?
This is this is an original BMW LTW wing. It cost me an arm and leg to get, unfortunately, but
it looks nice, man.
Yeah, it looks sick, so I had to go for it. Aside from that, it's just completely stock. Suspensions is what I was really looking for to do. So the KW V3s, sway bars, and pretty much just...
All right, the camera just cut off, but we're basically done with the M3. So it's more or less kind of stock, very minimal modifications. This is my 124 Spider Abarth that most people on the channel know, which is currently running a Euro Compulsion Phase 2 tune on the stock turbo, 93 octane pump gas. I don't know if the camera's gonna cut out again, so we're gonna stop this here. We're gonna do a couple pulls and see how these cars act. E36 M3, fairly close to stock. 124 Spider Abarth. They're both manual, if we didn't say that yet. His is a 5-speed, this is a 6-speed. Intake air temps are rocketing sky high. They were 140 something. They're slowly going down because we were sitting in the driveway for a while. He was attaching a hose real quick. So we're gonna see what happens. I might have had the air on there. I don't know if it's gonna mess with the audio. But basically, he's pretty much stock as we just went over. Very minimal modifications done to it. Mine is a more heavily modified 124 Spider Abarth. Stock for stock, he would take me in a heartbeat. But my car modified versus that M3 with mild, and almost basically stock, I would say. I think it's gonna be a pretty nice little run. Third gear. 1, 2, 3. Second. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. I think that one's catching us.
What do you mean? As far as that right now?
There's a thing right there for first reaction, first impressions.
Oh, first impressions.
So here, come here real quick. This is gonna be ghetto as hell right now. You see that?
Yeah.
All right, so that's working.
Yeah.
So first impressions, reactions of that. I thought it was gonna be a little closer than that.
I actually thought the same thing.
Because I looked online and it says your car runs low 14 quarter mileage, stock 14.2, and like mid. I could have sworn, I gotta look, I could have sworn it was mid 5, 0 to 60? 5 points, like
I'm not even sure. I'm not much of a drag or like a straight, shot type of guy. I'll be honest, the car was, basically purchased just as a driver's car. Yeah. So just taking corners or taking it to the track. What year is that again? It's a 96.
Okay, so according to over here, 0 to 60 times 96. Okay, actually no. Okay, 6.5 seconds.
It's not,
and 14.7. You know what? That makes perfect sense then, because I should be very, very low 14s. I think she's got a high 13-second pass in her with the right temperature and the right launch. Well, I did one at the airstrip and ran a...
Oh, you mean yours? Okay.
Oh yeah, no,
the
mine.
Abarth.
Yeah,
Oh,
mine. I think mine could have a 13.6, but that makes perfect sense then, because yours stock should run a 14.7 on the quarter mile, and mine should be low 14s.
Right.
Maybe
Like
has the
high
potential to do
13.
like a 13.9 if anything.
Yeah.
And I think this kind of shows that.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
I pulled on you, not by a ton. You know, I
Yeah.
kind of a few cars maybe.
Dude, a few cars.
Are you blind?
That was pretty. The
We're
camera
gonna
will
look-
show. The camera will
Yeah,
show.
we're gonna look at the GoPros.
Yeah.
We'll look.
Yeah.
But it seemed
Even though,
like
like,
it was
yeah.
about a few cars, give or take.
Yeah, once
that
you
it
hit
pulled.
boost, it was like you were gone. I was just like, wow, I might as well just like chill back here. And I didn't chill. I was still on the throttle.
Yeah.
Maybe a better, shorter diff ratio might help, but it's still not enough. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, because the first one was what, third gear, and the second was second. Yeah, and the second one was second gear.
second gear. I think what, 30?
I gotta
Was it
look back.
30?
I don't even know if I could see from the GoPro.
Yeah.
But yeah, it wasn't that
It
much.
wasn't-
I was.
yeah.
You were calling out the mile per hour, I think. So I gotta look back at it and see.
Yeah. No, it was completely fair. Meaning that like it was like we were side by side. Miles per hour were exactly the same. The gear was exactly the same. You just completely just took off, and I kind of hung back, even though I was full throttle all the way
That's
through.
pretty surprising.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
That was because I honestly didn't know going into this. I thought you could have had me because of the instant throttle response at least.
Yeah.
The fact that yours and mine doesn't have the most top end with the stock turbo, but
with the turbo itself,
when it built
you
the
can
boost,
see it.
when
You
the
can see
mid-range
it.
torque just shot ahead once it built, and then it just kind of held it. It held it enough.
If I was like on the dyno, you would see that slow decline, you know, while your boost is like, you know, kind of like increasing like, you know, exponentially. So yeah,
that was fun though. That was nice.
No, that was a good pull.
It was good because
that
I
was
said,
the first ever time I've ever even done it on that car.
done a little like race quick pull like that. That was nice, man.
Yeah, I wasn't slow shifting either. Like if the camera was in my car, I think you would have seen it. But hey,
you were going for it. You were like, I gotta keep up.
Yeah, it's good that it wasn't in that car because I would have just hung behind and it would have showed nothing but, you know, road. So yeah,
Oh, man,
but yeah, it was good.
fun.
It was good. That was fun. That was fun. That was awesome.
All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I don't even know, I think it's that camera. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll link his Instagram below, and anytime he's got new stuff going, I'll update that below for him. Definitely check him out and give him a follow as well. We got more stuff coming. Thanks.
All right.
All right,
man.
let me turn this off.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I get so dizzy when I stand up from sitting like that.
right?
Holy
Yeah.
shit.